Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be adding some awesome carbon fiber accessory covers to the outside of my Tesla Model Y. Let's get into it. So as we do, let's jump straight into the unboxing. I'll show you what I got here. Right here, I got these from Test Studio. These are side mirror covers in a matte carbon fiber design. These are genuine carbon fiber. I'm super excited to show you guys these. These are awesome, extremely lightweight. You can tell they're made of genuine carbon fiber. Taking a look at the inside there, and let's look at them. A nice matte carbon fiber look to cover up that kind of glossy matte side mirror finish that's already on your Tesla Model Y. I really like this look. I think the matte carbon fiber looks extremely sharp. Nice fit and finish around the whole thing, and I'm really excited to get these installed on my car. So you get the left one and the right one, obviously comes in a pair here. So I'll set those off to the side and I'll show you what's in this box. These are side mirror covers that I got from Yeslac, also in a genuine carbon fiber matte look. So I'm really excited for these as well. I really think it's going to take the car to the next level. I want to show you guys this as well. Look at that, genuine carbon fiber. You can tell it's made with care. Let's take a look at the outside. Really awesome design, really bringing in that Model Y juniper look with this kind of cutout. If you look at the newest Model Ys, you'll see they have this little aerodynamic feature right across here, which these covers are incorporating directly into their design, and that's super cool. I'm really excited to get these on the car. Installation should be a piece of cake, but I'll take you over there and show you guys what we're working with. So we're going to start here over on the driver's side and start with the camera cover in this awesome matte carbon fiber look. I just want to see how it fits. I haven't peeled off any of the sticky adhesive or anything like that. I just want to see how it fits over that camera cover. Seamless. It's perfect. It really covers up all the edges of the camera cover. Your camera's nice and perfectly unobscured there. There's no issues at all. So I think I'm really going to like how this looks. You do get one little slit cut out to kind of show the car or the matte finish underneath there, which is totally fine. It gives a little depth to the actual carbon cover. So how we're going to do this is I like to start, whenever I do any of these sticky adhesive accessories, I always like to use an alcohol wipe just to make sure the surface area is really nice and clean. Start my prep. Go ahead and peel off all of the sticky adhesive on here. Give it a nice, secure, 10 or 15 second count as I'm actually installing it here. So we're going to go ahead and start and do that next. So we got the first camera cover installed. I also like to come in with some blue painter's tape just to ensure a really good seal. I'll leave this on here for however long I need to, maybe an hour or so, just to make sure that it's got a nice kind of compression as that seal's going. So I really try to like cinch that painter's tape down, but it stuck really well. I'm sure it's going to be super secure. Let's move on to the mirror cover next. So next, we're going to be focusing on doing the carbon fiber mirror covers for our mirror caps here. If you didn't know, Tesla mirror caps are actually a super simple piece of plastic. This is all there is fitting over your mirror here. If you can pull this off, which I've done before, you can actually replace your whole mirror cap if you want, change the color if you want. When I bought my Tesla used from the dealership, it actually had a huge scratch in this mirror cap. I'm not sure if you can see that there, but that's a pretty deep gouge all the way along there. I'm not entirely sure what happened, but that's how we bought it from the dealer. So I ordered a set of these mirror caps right when I first got my Tesla, because we obviously didn't want this big old scratch in it. And these you can get them from Tesla. They're kind of pricey from them, but you can find them on eBay and things like that. So if you just want to replace your mirror cap itself, or do what I'm doing here, getting some sweet covers, you have those options too. Let's go ahead and look at that cover and see how it fits. So coming over to install the actual mirror cover itself, I'm going to use the same process and use another alcohol wipe, really clean off all of the dirt, grime, any oils or cleaners or like wax that I have on this mirror cover. Just make sure it's a nice surface prepared for kind of bonding the adhesive that comes on those mirror covers to the actual mirror itself. So let's kind of cover this all up, make sure it's really nice and clean. Then I'm going to go grab the mirror cover and we're just going to peel off the adhesive and slip it on and over. Like we did with the side camera cover, I'm going to go ahead and put some painter's tape on just to make sure there's a nice kind of pressure kind of securing the mirror cover itself to the actual mirror. So I kind of put it on the top and make sure it's kind of cinched down so it's not going to go anywhere while the adhesive is sticking and drying. So let's do a few of these all the way around. So So I just peeled off the painter's tape and I want to take a look with you guys and see how these actually kind of turned out. I think they look awesome. Adding a little bit of just that carbon fiber detail on the outside of your car, on your actual camera covers and your mirror covers, super, super cool. I love how it looks, just adding that little extra flair, a little bit of carbon fiber feature, makes it look kind of like more race car-y. So I really like these kind of mirror covers. I think they tie in really well to the kind of the vibe I got going on here. I really kind of want a carbon fiber front lip now. I think that would look awesome and kind of tie all of this in together to really give it that kind of aesthetic that I'm going for. But I think it looks sweet. I really like this carbon fiber mirror cover. It sticks on really well. It's super secure. It's not going anywhere. So I just really like that too. Moving up over here to the actual mirror cover, we'll bring you guys in for that. And I also really like how this looks. It changes the vibe of the car. It really kind of gives it a sporty look when you have the mirrors blacked out. These are super, super secure. There's really no kind of issues. You can't see any of the color mirror anywhere around it. Let me take you guys over to the back here so you can see how this side looks. And it kind of covers up all of that color that comes on this side as well. It really kind of wraps around and gives you that sweet, real carbon fiber look all the way around it. So I'm really impressed with the quality of both of these pieces. Talking about each piece separately for a second, I'm really impressed with the quality of these camera covers here. I have a 2022 Model Y, so I want to be specific, these are hardware 3 cameras. I don't think they changed when you go into the hardware 4 camera. I think it's the exact same style and outline, but I just want to be clear, that's what I'm rocking here. It's the HW3 hardware 3 version of my exterior cameras. So make sure you order the right ones if you're looking at these on Test Studio's website. If you're interested in these covers for your camera here, they're on Test Studio's website, like I just said. Use code GAMBLE1080, save you about 22% on their website, and bring these down to a really nice price. For genuine carbon fiber accessories, these aren't plastic. These will last a long time. They're super lightweight and durable. I think you can't go wrong with these. Moving on to talk just about the mirror covers for a second. These are also from Yeslac. They're genuine carbon fiber mirror covers that come in either a gloss or a matte finish. Same as the camera cover, you can get kind of whichever finish you want. I always go with the matte finishes. I think they look really sharp and kind of just give it a little distinctive edge versus the gloss of the paint. But I love these mirror covers. I really like how they look. This juniper styling with this kind of cutout here. I'll put a picture on the screen of what the actual new Model Y looks like, that juniper style, and this matches it to a T. So I love this carbon fiber race car look. I think this looks extremely, extremely sharp. It's just a really nice feature and an accessory that you can add in like, what, 2 minutes? It took me to kind of peel off the sticky adhesive and stick these on here. So these are really cool. I think this would look awesome if you have that pillar delete, if you've seen those on Tesla Model Ys or other cars before, which is kind of a vinyl wrap that goes up and over your pillar here. This red part or whatever color of your Tesla, you cover it with a black vinyl wrap or black sticker, and it's kind of a pillar delete kit. And it makes this all kind of blend into a black. Everything from, you know, up above your hood area would be a nice black. Your mirrors and everything would be blacked out. I think that'd look awesome. What do you guys think? Do you think something like that would look really cool or not? Let me know down in the comments below. If you're interested in this kind of mirror cover, again, I got these from Yeslac. They're genuine carbon fiber mirror covers, so they're not plastic. They're gonna last a long time. They're super sturdy on there. They're not gonna go anywhere. So on Yeslac's website, make sure you use code GAMBLE1080 as well. Save you some money there, and it really helps out the channel. Well, thank you guys again for coming back and checking out another accessory video with me for my Model Y. I love accentuating my Model Y, loving its already kind of awesome features, and just taking it to that next level. I love the black mirrors. I think that looks extremely sharp, and tying it in with your camera covers in that carbon fiber, it's just a no-brainer. It looks awesome to me. Love to hear what you guys think. Is this something you do to your car? Do you not like this style? Would you rather just keep it plain, white, whatever, you know, white, gray? The Quicksilver I think would look really good in this color, but what do you guys think? If you're interested, links to these are down in the description. I went over that already. If you're interested in anything else I've reviewed on the channel, make sure to check out my link tree below. I'll have some video here on the screen of what it looks like. But everything that I've reviewed on the channel is also available down in that link tree and has a review video associated with it. So make sure you check those out as well. Appreciate you guys coming back. We'll definitely catch you in the next video. Feel free to like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.